Wow. Crazy. So many. Both sides.
Last call for raffle tickets. All right. If you haven't got your raffle tickets, last call, last call.